this is my gaming setup. But I've realized something. There's something missing. There's nothing here. And, like, I need something here. Because, like, yeah. So what I did is, I got something to put there. And I'm gonna review it and see if it's a good product to buy for your gaming room. So what I've realized is my room doesn't smell the best. I mean, it doesn't smell the worst, but like it's got some gamer grease everywhere. So in this random corner, I got something that I think can help with that. I got a flame diffuser and humidifier. Yeah. Quick mention, I also got 20 different scents for it because, you know, yeah. So I'm gonna set this up and tell you if you should buy it or not. Oh. My camera's upside down the whole time. Just don't worry about it. Okay. This is really hard to open. I cannot open boxes. Okay, so it's my first time looking at it. It comes with a remote. Ooh, it smells good out the box. Comes with this paper. Pretty good. And the big review in 3, 2, I don't know how to count. 7. Boom. Out the box. My phone died as I was doing that transition. Just had to mention that. So it's been like it's been like 5 minutes because like I got one of those hand charger. You wouldn't get it. You're not here. So. Ooh, it's leak. Time to do a nasty edit. Boom, the edit went crazy. Can y'all agree? So I'm gonna figure out how to turn this thing on. Wait, what if I should open these first, so not here. 1 second. And boom. I got this premium quality 100%. I can't read, man. Here, read this. Anyway, that's what I got. So, let's see the bottles. Big review in 3, 2, 1. I've already seen this, but it doesn't matter. Look at this. It's like, it's so fancy. It's the most fancy thing I've ever owned. Hold on, let's hit an edit for this. The edit probably took me like 5 minutes, but it doesn't matter. Look how fancy this little dropper is. Like, it's the, you know. So let me get it all set up. So I'm gonna. I'll be back for that. So let me read the instructions of this. I'm pretty sure there's not a wire. I think there is a wire. I don't know. There is indeed a wire. I just didn't come with one, I think. I had a spare phone charger, and I think it works. I mean, so, yeah. Okay, so I plugged it in. It made a beep sound. Just I'll pick that up later. Let's see. Hold up. Let's see if this thing works here. Let me hide this wire 1 second. Oh, this upside down. I'm so sorry for this video quality. Oh, I gotta add stuff, don't I? Hold up, one second. Let me read the instruction. I opened it, so there's this wire. Oh, so it did have a wire. And I got this thing. So when I looked, where'd it go? Oh, I had a charger a second ago. It basically said to pour water in this, and then you had the drops. So I'm gonna do that. So I got the water. I don't know how I'm gonna pour it while recording. 1 second. I took a sip before I came, by the way. Here, let me. It's all the water. Where I put the lid at? 1 second. Okay, so do I? Yo. What's happening? 1 second. I can't. Okay, so I gotta add this to this so it smells good. So I'll be right back. I'm not gonna add a couple drops because it said to only add a couple. That smells good. Hold up, I'm gonna pass. It smells really good. Alright, let's see. Okay, so I figured out you gotta let it play. And then, like, once it... So you just let it play. Once it's the right color, you pause it. Yep. That's it. That's green. Yes, sir. I'm cooking. Alright, here. I'll be right back. So it's cool and all, but like, I don't see any smoke coming out of it. Like, there's supposed to be like fire rising. I don't know, man. Okay, so there's no smoke coming out of it, but it smells amazing, bro. I'm about to... Sorry. Oh my god, that actually smells good. So I added the remote. This is what it looks like. I added it to my remote collection. And yeah. Also got some good RGB. So I recommend it 100%. Yeah. So I'm gonna make a quick edit on this saw beer. Boom. Perfect transition. So I 100. Wait, hold up. Wait, smoke does come out of it. So wait, it just takes a while, but like eventually it'll come out. So I 1000% recommend it. It's by these people. Figure it out if you really care. And bye, I guess.